All right, so today we're going deep on XRP.
Oh, yeah. XRP. Definitely been seeing a lot about that lately.
Yeah, tons of buzz. And get this, there's this rumor going around.
Oh.
Yeah, that it could hit like $59,472.
472 to be exact.
Wow, that's a
I know, right?
that's a pretty big number.
Huge. And what's even crazier is where this prediction supposedly came from.
Where?
Well, we found it on the Coin Republic, a crypto news site, and they're saying it was from Forbes.
Forbes.
Yeah, Forbes, an article. But here's the thing.
What's that?
The article's gone, like vanished.
Really?
Poof.
Yeah.
So the Coin Republic says it all started with Bing, Microsoft's chatbot.
Oh, right, the AI.
Yeah, exactly. Apparently, someone asked it about XRP price predictions, and Bing pulled up this Forbes article title, "The New Bitcoin is XRP, and it's headed to $59,472.
Okay, but if the article's gone, how do we even know?
Well, that's the interesting part.
Okay.
Google's Bard, their AI, also backed it up, confirmed the article existed.
Wow, so both of them? Yeah. And Bard even gave a date, September 21st, 2023.
Last year.
Uh-huh. But, and this is a big but, Forbes has been totally silent on this.
Really?
Like radio silence. No confirmation, no denial, nothing.
So did they publish it or not?
Exactly. It's a total mystery. And of course, everyone's got a theory.
Oh, I bet. Like what?
Some think it was an editorial decision. Maybe they got
Yeah.
cold feet about the claims in the article.
Right. Or maybe there were factual errors or something.
Could be. Others are saying external pressure forced them to take it down.
External pressure.
Yeah, like maybe regulatory concerns.
That's possible.
It's all very hush-hush, which makes you wonder.
For sure. Makes you think about who controls what we see.
Absolutely. But let's for a second just assume the article was real.
Okay.
Even if it was up for like a day. The question is, could XRP actually get anywhere close to 60 grand?
Ah, the million-dollar question.
Right. So to figure that out, we got to look beyond this whole disappearing article thing.
Got to focus on XRP itself.
Exactly. What's going on that could actually drive that kind of growth?
Yeah, what's the fuel behind this potential rocket, right?
And the Coin Republic points to one major factor: adoption.
Adoption, as in more people using it.
Not just people, institutions, big financial players.
Really?
Yeah, the ones dealing with your credit cards, mortgages, that level.
Wow.
And they're not just dabbling, they're integrating XRP payments. And, get this, offering cashback rewards in CTF tokens.
Hold on, CTF? What's that?
Yeah, I was wondering the same thing. CTF, Crypto Trading Fund, it's a whole system built around XRP, handling billions in transactions.
So while everyone was freaking out over the Forbes thing, XRP was quietly becoming part of, mainstream finance.
Sneaky, right?
Super sneaky. Okay, but back to these CTF tokens.
Yeah, what are they, besides cashback?
Well, they're kind of the reward system on the XRP ledger. The more you use XRP, the more CTF you earn. You can use them to buy things, convert them back to regular currency, or even generate passive income.
Passive income?
Yeah.
How?
Through various programs within the crypto trading fund ecosystem. Things like yield farming or staking.
Oh, so it's like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but with crypto.
Kinda, yeah. You can lend out your CTF or lock it up for a set period and earn rewards based on how much you put in.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But if it's so versatile, why isn't everyone using it?
It's still relatively new, but here's the thing. Remember all those institutions adopting XRP and the crypto trading fund?
Yeah.
Well, as more join, the demand for CTF could explode, especially because there's a limited supply.
Like a supply shock.
Exactly. And the Coin Republic mentioned some pretty wild projections.
Like what?
Currently, one CTF token is about 72 cents.
Okay.
Some estimates say it could go as high as $500.
$500.
Yeah, almost a 70,000% increase.
That's insane.
It is a lot. Of course, this is all speculation, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile.
Right. Always good to remember that.
Absolutely. We're not giving financial advice here, but it's definitely something to think about.
For sure.
Yeah.
So we've got this vanishing Forbes article, the growing adoption of XRP, and this whole crypto trading fund system.
It's a lot to unpack.
It is. And we've only just scratched the surface.
Yeah, there's a lot more to explore.
There is. But for now, we got to leave it there.
All right. Sounds good.
We'll be back soon to dive even deeper into XRP and the crypto trading fund. Stay tuned.
Looking forward to it. Okay, so we've talked about this potential for growth with XRP and this CTF system.
Correct.
But how's it actually being used? What are people doing with it in the real world?
Yeah, it's easy to get caught up in all the hype.
Yeah.
Especially with that Forbes thing.
Right.
But I think it's important to focus on the practical, stuff, the actual applications.
Sure.
So like one big area the Coin Republic highlighted is cross-border payments.
Cross-border.
So imagine sending money overseas instantly.
Okay.
Like super fast.
Great.
And with way lower fees than the traditional methods.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that would be huge for businesses, right?
Huge. And individuals, too. Anyone who needs to send money internationally.
Yeah, that makes sense. So are they actually doing this already?
Oh, yeah. The Coin Republic mentioned several examples of institutions using XRP for cross-border payments. Banks, payment processors, the whole shebang.
Wow, so it's not just like a theoretical thing.
Not at all. Real transactions, real money happening right now.
Interesting.
So it's more than just, buying XRP and hoping the price goes up.
Right.
There's a whole ecosystem being built around its utility as a payment system.
Right, which makes it different from a lot of other crypto projects.
Exactly. It's about solving real problems and making things more efficient.
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, so we've talked about XRP, but what about the CTF, the Crypto Trading Fund? What's its role?
Right. So CTF is kind of the engine of the whole system.
Okay.
Like, it's what incentivizes people to use XRP.
Gotcha. So you earn CTF by using XRP, and then you can use CTF for different things, right?
Yeah.
We talked about passive income earlier.
Yeah, exactly. So one way is through yield farming. Basically, it's like lending your CTF tokens to a pool.
To a pool.
Yeah. And in return, you get rewards, like interest.
Okay. And what's that other thing? Staking?
Yeah, staking is similar. You lock up your CTF for a certain amount of time.
Yeah.
And again, earn rewards based on how much you stake.
So you can potentially grow your CTF holdings without actually trading.
Exactly.
Interesting. But is this just for, like, big investors, or can anyone do this?
That's one of the cool things about CPF. It's designed to be accessible to everyone.
Really?
Yeah. You don't need to be some Wall Street hotshot. Anyone with an internet connection and a crypto wallet can participate.
Wow. So it's very much in line with the whole cryptocurrency philosophy.
Totally. Decentralization, accessibility, empowering individuals.
Yeah, right. Okay, so this all sounds very promising.
It does. But, well, like with anything, there are challenges.
Oh, of course. Like what?
One of the big ones is regulation. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to handle crypto.
Yeah, that's a big one. And I bet that uncertainty makes some people hesitant.
For sure. And then there's the issue of scalability.
Scalability.
Right. As more people use XRP and CTF, the system needs to be able to handle all those transactions.
So it doesn't get bogged down, like slow down or become too expensive.
Exactly. And then you've got competition. The crypto space is constantly evolving, with new projects popping up all the time.
So CTF and XRP can't just rest on their laurels. They need to keep innovating.
Yeah, constantly improving, adapting, staying ahead of the curve.
Right. But challenges can also be opportunities.
True. Crypto.
If CTF and XRP can overcome these hurdles, they could really revolutionize things.
So you're saying this system, it could actually become a viable alternative to traditional finance.
It's ambitious, but I don't think it's impossible. I mean, we're already seeing major institutions adopting it.
Right.
And as more people get comfortable with cryptocurrency, this idea of a decentralized financial system, it becomes less radical.
It's like, remember when smartphones first came out?
Oh, yeah.
People were skeptical. But now...
Now we can't live without them.
Exactly. And maybe crypto is going through a similar evolution.
Yeah, it could be the next big disruption.
Okay, so let's say someone is listening to this and they're thinking, this sounds pretty interesting. I want to learn more.
Yeah.
Where should they start?
Well, first and foremost, educate yourself.
Right. Do your research.
Yeah, don't just rely on headlines or social media. Dig deeper, read about different projects, understand the technology.
Exactly. And don't just take our word for it.
Absolutely not. Think critically, analyze the information, form your own opinions.
And if you're feeling adventurous, maybe experiment with CTF, buy some on an exchange.
But of course, always remember, this is not financial advice.
Right. And never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Absolutely. So we've covered a lot today, from that strange Forbes article to how XRP and the Crypto Trading Fund are actually being used.
It's a lot to process.
It is. But the key takeaway, the world of finance is changing. It's shifting towards decentralization and digital assets.
Whether that's good or bad, who knows?
Right. But it's happening, and XRP and the Crypto Trading Fund are part of that.
They're a piece of that puzzle.
Exactly. And it's not just about, making money.
Right.
It's about understanding the potential impact of this technology on, like, how we think about money and value.
So it's bigger than just XRP.
Way bigger. It's an evolution in progress, you know?
And it's going to be bumpy.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Challenges, innovations, the whole 9 yards.
But that's where you, the listener, come in.
You don't need to be an expert to participate.
Exactly. Educate yourself, stay informed, join the conversation, and maybe even experiment a little.
The future of finance is being shaped right now.
It is.
And you could be a part of it.
Absolutely. So that's something to think about.
Okay, so we've covered a ton about the potential with XRP and CTF and everything.
We have.
But I kind of want to circle back to that Forbes article for a sec.
The mysterious one.
Yeah. Let's just say, hypothetically, it was real. Published and then, bam, gone.
Right.
Why even do that? What's the point?
Well, some people think it was intentional, like a way to create buzz.
You mean like a calculated leak?
Yeah, exactly. Put the idea out there.
Even if it gets retracted.
Right. Plant the seed of XRP hitting these crazy prices.
And then let the actual developments like adoption and the growth of CTF take over.
It's a weird marketing tactic, if you think about it.
Super weird.
Yeah.
But it also makes you wonder, like, how much control there is over information in crypto.
For sure.
Okay, but enough of the speculation. We've talked about the potential, the challenges, the possible impact of all this.
It's a lot.
What's the big takeaway for our listeners? What should they be thinking about after this?
Well, I think the main thing is this. The way we do finance is changing. It's becoming more decentralized, more digital.
For better or worse?
Yeah, exactly. And XRP and the crypto trading fund, they're a part of that shift.
Like a glimpse into a possible future.
Yeah. And it's important to remember, this isn't just about making money off XRP or CTF. It's about understanding this bigger picture, how technology could fundamentally change how we think about money, about value.
So think beyond just the price.
Absolutely. This is an ongoing thing, an evolution. There will be bumps in the road, new challenges, new ideas.
And that's where listeners come in.
Yeah. You don't need to be an expert to be a part of this.
Right. You can learn, stay informed, share your thoughts, even try it out yourself.
The future of finance is being built right now.
And you can help shape it.
Absolutely.
Wow, that's a pretty powerful thought to wrap things up on.
It is.
So we've explored a lot today.
We have.
The mystery of the Forbes article, the intricacies of XRP and the crypto trading fund. It's been quite a journey.
It has.
But as always, the conversation doesn't stop here.
Keep learning, keep asking questions, keep the conversation going.
The more informed we are.
The better.
Exactly. All right, folks, that's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for listening.
We'll catch you next time. Stay curious out there.